So friends, coming to the last section of this training. So let's understand subnet mask and the ending process. So there are three important things that we should know about subnet mask. The first one is subnet mask differentiates network portion and host portion. Then subnet mask is been given for host identification of a network ID. And finally, it is represented with all ones in the network portion and with all zeros in the host portion. So this is little difficult to understand. So let me show you with the help of an example. So class C, if I take the first field is network portion and the last three fields are host portion that we already know. So if we want to find out the subnet mask of class A, so network portion, we make all the 8 bits as ones, and for the host portion, we make all the host bits as 0. And that's where the default subnet mask for class A is 255.255.0.0.0. Sorry. In the same way, class B, first two fields are network and second two other two fields are host fields. So this is how network fields are made all ones and host portion is made all zeros. So the subnet mask that I'm going to get for class B IP is 255.255.20.0. And the same way, class C, first three fields are network portion and the last field is the host portion. So the subnet mask that we are going to get here is 255.255.255.0. So as I said, the first way of determining IP class is looking at the first field, and subnet mask is the other way using which you can identify the class of an IP address. So how subnet mask works? So consider I have an IP address 192.168.1.1. The subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. So if you look at the first field, it is 192 and it falls in the range of class C. So that's where this is the class C IP address. And that is the reason I'm getting a subnet mask as 255.255.255.0. So here what happens is I have converted the IP in the bits. Subnet mask is again converted to bits. And now if I do the ANDing process, I'm going to get the network ID as 192.168.1.0. That is because of the ANDing process. So what happens here is the output of ANDing process is 1 only if both the bits are 1. So this is the truth table. Consider you have 0 ANDing with another 0, the output is going to be 0. So the meaning of AND means both the signals or both the binary digits need to be 1. Only then the output is going to be 1. So that is why we call it as AND gate. So here if you look at the ANDing process, here it is 1, this is again 1, that's the reason the output is 1. But in other cases wherever there is a 0 and 1, the output is 0. So friends, this is how we calculate the network ID by ANDing the IP address and the subnet mask. So this is the way you can calculate the network ID of an IP looking at its subnet mask. So the output of an AND table or the AND gate is 1 only if both the inputs or the inputs are 1. So here it is 1, here it is 1, and that's where it is 1. Here it is 0 and this one is 1, so the output is 0. And in the same way we calculated for the entire bits, all the bits, and we got the network ID of this particular IP address. So ANDing process is used to identify the network ID of an IP with the help of the subnet mask that is assigned to it. So for all the other possible inputs, the output is going to be 0. So with this, we come to the end of this series. Please like, share and subscribe to my videos if you like them. Most of the videos I have already published on YouTube. So if you like, share and subscribe, that would be a kind of encouragement to my channel as well and would help me grow traffic to my website, which is www.dharanjayn.com. So thank you so much. Stay tuned. See you in the upcoming training. Thank you.